Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you delete your Free Fire Google account permanently. So for that, at first just go to your Google or your Chrome browser. Now your Free Fire Google account need to be connected here. Now click in the top your profile icon. Now after clicking it, click on your Gmail account and click on manage your Google account. Now here click on data and privacy, scroll and after scrolling down here you can see delete your Google account. Just click on it and click on continue. Now after clicking continue, scroll and click on these options and click on delete account. Open it with the browser. Here you can see my Google account and all of its data has been deleted. If you want to delete your Free Fire Google account permanently, you can delete it by this way. And if you have deleted it by any mistake, you can also recover it by clicking recover account and following some steps. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.